Now we are going to learn about OA, EA and AI sound. When two vowels together say one sound, like OA. Here it is OA, EA and AI. When two vowels together say one sound, the sound is name of the first letter. So here it is O. Here two vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. The first letter is E. So here it is E. And here the first letter is A. So here it is name of the first letter A. Now let us see the examples of OA sound. So here it is OA. When two vowels together say one sound, the sound is name of first letter. So here it is O. Now example. So here BOAT, boat. Here this OA letters together say one sound, but the sound is O, name of the first letter. Okay. So here it is BOAT, boat. B-O-T, boat. Okay. Now next one. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T. Here also it is O-A. So, K-O-T, coat. Now next is R-O-A-D, road. R-O-D. Here it is O-A. Okay. Now next one is G-O-A-L. So here G-O-L, goal. Here also it is O-A. Okay. Now next one is G-O-A-T. Here also it is O-A. Two vowels together say one sound. So the sound is the name of the first letter. So here it is O. G-O-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Okay. Now next is F-O-A-L, foal. F-O-L. Here also O is the vowel together and say name of the first letter. Okay. So F-O-L, foal. Now next is L-O-A-D, load. L-O-A-D. Here also O is vowel together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, that is O. So here it is L-O-D, load. Okay. Now next one is C-O-A-L. Here also OA vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, that is O. C-O-A-L. O-K-O-L, coal. C-O-A-L, coal. Okay. Now we will repeat. It is B-O-A-T, boat. C-O-A-T, coat. R-O-A-D, road. G-O-A-L, goal. G-O-A-T, goat. F-O-A-L, foal. L-O-A-D, load. And here it is C-O-A-L, coal. Okay. Now we will see the examples of AI sound. Okay. So here it is A, I. When these vowels together say one sound, the sound is name of the first letter. Now see some examples. So here it is R, A, I, N, rain. Here two vowels together say one sound, but the sound is name of the first letter, that is A. R-A-N here. So rain. Okay. Now next one is P-A-I-R, pear. So here also A-I is a two vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So A. P-A-R, like this. So pear. P-A-I-R, pear. Now next one is F-A-I-R, fair. Here also A-I is the two vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So here it is F-A-I-R, fair. Okay. Now next example is C-H-A-I-R, chair. Here also A-I is the vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay. Now next one is H-A-I-R, hair. Here also A-I vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. Okay. So here H-A-I-R, hair. Now next is N-A-I-L, nail. Here also A-I vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So here N-A-I-L, nail. Okay. Now next one is T-A-I-L, tail. Here also A-I is the vowel together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. Okay. So here T-A-I-L, tail. Next one is P-A-I-L. A-I vowel together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So P-A-I-L, pale. Now we will repeat. It is R-A-I-N, rain. P-A-I-R, pear. F-A-I-R, fair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. H-A-I-R, hair. N-A-I-L, nail. T-A-I-L, tail. And P-A-I-L, pale. Okay. Now let us see the examples of E-A sound. So here E-A. These vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. Okay. Now see some examples. Here it is H-E-A-T, heat. So here also E-A is the vowel together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, E. So H-E-A-T, heat. Okay. Now next one is R-E-A-D, read. Here E-A is the vowels together say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, that is E. So R-E-A-D, read. Okay. Now next one is M E A T, meet. Here also EA is vowel together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter, that is E. So MEAT is meet. Okay. Now next one is TEAM, team. So here also EA vowel together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter E. So TEAM, team. Okay. Now next one is BEAD, bid. So here EA is a vowel together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So BEAD, bid. Okay. Now next one is LEAK, leak. Here EA also vowels together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. So LEAK, leak. Okay. Now next one is BEAT. Here also EA vowels together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter E. So here BEAT, bit. Okay. Now next one is BEAK, beak. Here EA vowels together. Say one sound. The sound is name of the first letter. It is E. So BEAK, beak. Okay. Now we will repeat. HEAT, heat. READ, read. MEAT, meet. TEAM, team. BEAD, bid. LEAK, leak. BEAT, bit. And BEAK, beak. Okay. In this chapter, we have learned about OA, EA and AI sound. Here OA, this is O sound. Here E sound. Here AI, A sound. Okay. Now remember one thing, that this O, E and A is prolonged sound. Okay. For example, this is BOAT, boat, not boat. Okay. Here it is TEAM, team, not Tim. And here it is HAIR, hair, not hair. Okay. So you have to remember one thing only, that this O, E, A are prolonged sound. Okay. Now we will see few more sounds with vowels together. Okay. Here AU, OU and OI. Okay. This AU sounds like O. OU sounds like OW. And here OI like OI. Okay. Now we will see some examples. Now we will see the examples of AU sound. Example is A U G U S T. August. This AU letter sounds O. So, August. August. Okay. Next is D A U G H T E R. Here AU is sound O. So, daughter. 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 It is daughter. Okay. Now next is PAUSE. EU sound like O. So, pause. 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 Okay. Now next is BECAUSE. AU sound O. So, BECAUSE, because. Because. Now we will repeat. August. Here AU sounds like O. So, August. Daughter. Pause. And because. Okay. Now we will see the sound of OU. This sounds like ow. So, example is here it is GROUND. 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 Okay. Now next is HOUND. Ow. So here hound. 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 Okay. Next is MOUTH. OU sounds like ow. So, mouth. 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 Next is MOUSE. Here also OU. So, ow. Mouse. 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 Now we will repeat. Ground. Hound. Mouth. And here mouse. Okay. Now we will see the examples of OI sound. This sounds like oi. So, example is oil. OI. Oil. Okay. Now next is COIL. Coil. Here it is OI. Oil. So, oil. Coil. Now next is COIN. Coin. Here OI. So, oin, coin. Okay. Now next is F-O-I-L, foil. Oil, foil. Now next is P-O-I-N-T, here oi. So point, oint, point. Next is P-O-I-S-E, poise. Here also oi sound. So poise, poise. Next is N-O-I-S-E, noise. Here also oi sound like oi. So noise, noise. Now we will repeat. Here oil, coil, coin, foil, point, poise and noise. Here one more set of letters. It is O-Y. This O-Y, in this Y is not the vowel, but the sound is like O-I, oi. Let us see some examples. It is B-O-Y, O-Y. Here B-oi, boy. Next is T-O-Y. Here O-Y sounds like oi. So T-oi, toy. T-O-Y, toy. Now next is J-O-Y, joy. Here O-Y sounds like oi. So joy, J-O-Y, joy. Now we will repeat. B-O-Y, boy. T-O-Y, toy. And J-O-Y, joy. Okay. We have seen A-U, O-U and O-I sounds. Do you remember a set of letters O-Y in which Y is not vowel but the sounds like oi, O-I. Okay. So you have to remember this special case.